Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage dress. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 medium head of green cabbage, about 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper to taste. Ensure your cabbage is fresh and firm for the best texture. This simple dressing comes together quickly, offering a delightful balance of sweet and sour notes. Now let's prepare the star of our dish, the cabbage. Begin by discarding any loose or discolored outer leaves. Next, cut the cabbage into 4 equal wedges and carefully trim out the hard, fibrous core from each piece. For the best texture in your dress, shred the cabbage thinly. You can use a sharp chef's knife for this, or a mandolin slicer for perfectly uniform strands, which really makes a difference. With the cabbage ready, it's time to create our delicious dressing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. Finally, season the dressing with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Now for the final step. Add your shredded cabbage to a large mixing bowl. Pour the creamy dressing over the cabbage. Using tongs or your hands, gently toss the cabbage until every strand is beautifully coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. For the best taste and texture, cover the bowl and refrigerate the cabbage dress for at least 30 minutes before serving. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld perfectly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.